Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first of all, you just have go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool just type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installed. So now tap to open. Here click to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher to turn it on. Tap to OK. Now go back. Here tap to the switch input methods and switch it to the English United States keyboard. So that's done. Now we can check that. For example, we'll go to the messages and we'll start the chart with hard reset, for example. And now, as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard, also the emojis. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.